Student Research Conference hosted by the Jose Rizal Memorial State University.
And 3 minutes for Q&A.
Children aged 3 to 5 who are in a critical period for language development.
Our study investigates the factors affecting the academic performance of students.
It's more than just grades. It is a reflection of the students' behavior, attitudes, support systems, and the environment.
Own finances. Understanding their financial literacy levels and influencing factors is essential.
Bawat bata makababasa. That is the promise of the Department of Education. However, according to PISA in 2018,
Sa umagang ito ay aming tatalakayin sa inyo ang aming pag-aaral na pinamagatang ang mga delinggong ginagamit ng mga dikulognon ay dumadaan sa proseso
Related to family. For example, in family-related terms, average in government.
Good morning everyone, we are the senior high school students.
Then, we utilize this questionnaire using a 5-point Likert scale.
At statement in marketing, specifically in the rise of influencer marketing.
Narito ang graph sa aming pananaliksik. Ito ang nagsibing rason o tulay upang makabuo kami ng ganitong pananaliksik.
Balance their language used to connect with their diverse customers while preserving cultural authenticity.
That is digital dialogues or online interaction. From Jose Rizal Memorial State University.